It's Hot Rod Ronnie, the latest to hit Hot Rod Heaven. I made a short video of it a while back, but I didn't get much of it. It's a 67 Malibu 2-door hardtop, 283 power pack, 4-barrel dual exhaust, factory AC, tinted glass. I already got the trunk detailed. As you can see, I put some of the parts back in here. That was the original color. Beautiful. Put all the trim back on it. The side trim was off. Right there's I had a tent, but the storm we had took the tent, just mangled it, so I took it apart, and so now the tent goes on this without the metal part of it, and it just Velcro just holds it on there. We had 9 inches of rain this past week, so I had that tent over it. I fixed the leaks on it anyway. Here's what's so cool about this car. Unmolested. 283 4-barrel. Look at that factory AC. Factory fan shroud, radiator, everything. And just before it was parked, the motor was rebuilt, transmission, suspension all done. So it's going to hopefully be an easy car to get started. It's been so hot, so humid, I don't get out here when it's like that very long. But I got everything cleaned inside. Well, I got it vacuumed and all. I still have to clean it. Armor all the interior. Might put a headliner and carpet in it. Put some wild wheels on it. Let me show you the front. 67s look so awesome from the front, I think. Of course, I had hijackers on back in the day. It's set for 27 years, so I'm bringing it back to life. The Impala is going to California, that convertible. It'll be leaving tomorrow, Wednesday. Alright, that's it. Wanted to let you know what's going on in Hot Rod Heaven. It never ends. It won't end until I leave this earth. I promise. Later.